blow the man down.
She round in the counter, luffing the bower.
Hey, hey, blow the man down.
I says to her, darling, we're away now.
Oh, give some time to blow the man down. Blow the man down, please blow the man down. Hey, hey, blow the man down. Blow him right back into Liverpool town. Oh, give me some time to blow the man down.
She was bowling along with the wind blowing free.
Hey, hey, blow the man down.
It load up her courses and waited for me.
Oh, give me some time to blow the man down. Blow the man down, please blow the man down. Hey, blow the man down. Blow him right back into Haverfordwest town. Oh, give me some time to blow the man down.
So I took her me flipper and I took her in tow.
Hey, blow the man down.
And straight to her cottage and quickly did go.
Oh, give me some time to blow the man down. Blow the man down, please blow the man down. Hey, hey, blow the man down. Blow him right back into Haverfordwest town. Oh, give me some time to blow the man down.
So we rocked and we rolled from the break of the dawn.
Hey, hey, blow the man down.
Till me powder was spent and me bowsprit well worn.
Give me some time to blow the man down. And it blow the man down, please blow the man down. Hey, hey, blow the man down. Blow him right back into Haverfordwest town. Oh, give me some time to blow the man down.
So I packed up me sea chest, I sailed the next day.
Hey, blow the man down.
On that rash packet I spent all me